Hey guys, today let's learn how to add Google Bard to the Google Workspace. So if you guys are wondering how to add Google Bard and use it with your Google Workspace, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and make sure that we have our Google Bard right here. Okay, so once we're already here, I want you to tap on the extensions right here and make sure that all of your extensions is enabled. Now this is going to allow you to use Google Bard with Google Flights, Hotels, Maps, YouTube, and also your Google Workspace. Using your Google Workspace with Google Bard is going to allow you as well to summarize, find, and then also get quick information and answers from your own content. So from here, once you have your Google Workspace enabled, you can actually now proceed with going on to your new chat and then typing in an ad to actually use either Gmail, Docs, Drive, or Google Maps to actually access specific documents, specific files or PDFs from your Google Drive, and also emails from your Gmail. And that's how you guys could use both Google Workspaces with Google Bard. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.